Hey SK, and welcome to a Crazy Friday.
Sorry for the PA issue earlier this morning. They should be resolved at least for WTV.
If you're having problems hearing us now in your classroom, turn up the volume on your cable box and your projector.
And if you can hear us, great. We have a lot of news to give you today.
And we have little time to waste on our normal chit-chat, so we'll get right into it. To kick things off, any lost and found not claimed by the end of today will be donated to charity. If you lost or misplaced your favorite hoodie, you should check with security during non-class time. SK Latte will be back on Monday for all your midday caffeinated needs. Need to ride a different bus? You must have a written pass or emailed note from a parent or guardian, and it must be turned in to the main office before the start of the day. Requests by phone or notes received late are not guaranteed to be processed in time. See your planner for more info. On the topic of buses, please leave the heavily fragranced lotions, colognes, and perfumes for later. Your fellow wolves and the drivers themselves can have an adverse reaction if those sprays are used on the bus. Help keep it a safe ride to and from SK. Looking for something to do tonight? Why not see the best dance moves to hit the SK stage?
Hey SK, Dancing with the SK Stars is going to be tonight in the main theater. Make sure to get your tickets at the ASB store or pay in person, only with cash. It's going to be $8 with ASB or $10 without. Make sure to come support your fellow wolves. Back to y'all in the studio.
By the way, some of the dancers tonight are Mr. Graham's, Haley D's, and many more. Time is running out to nominate your fellow wolves for homecoming court. Nominations close at 2 today. Voting for King and Queen will take place next week. Another thing you're running out of time to do is save money on homecoming tickets. Prices go up next week. Get yours today from the ASB office for $12 or $10 if you have ASB. You should all know about next week's Spirit Weeks. We kick things off with Make Yourself at Home, aka PJ Day. With Spirit Days come Spirit Points. They're like the house points from Hogwarts, but less trolls. Just dress up for a Spirit Day, go to the Spirit table at lunch to show off your look and earn points for your class. The class with the most points at the end of the year gets a special prize. Back to the dance itself. If you want to bring a non-SK guest, forms are due to ASB by Wednesday at 2. No exceptions. To pull off homecoming takes a lot of work. There's a dance, Spirit Days, the pep assembly, and much more, and those that pull it off are your ASB representatives.
What is ASB?
I do not know, but I know that it involves the school.
Probably something to help the school.
ASB is something that a bunch of students can do and learn from and have a lot of fun doing.
ASB is your ways to get into home games free.
I think it's just a way for everybody to get connected.
Now that we've heard from our students, what is ASB? Hi, I'm Reese and I'm the Executive ASB President. ASB, or Associated Student Body, is a group of elected student leaders that represent the school. Each class has between 7 and 11 officers that work together to communicate with staff and faculty, plan events, and make things happen. ASB officers put countless hours into making a school they're proud of.
And my name's Haley, I'm the senior class president. Some of you may know that ASB meets every other Wednesday in room 102. But what a lot of you don't know is that anyone can show up to an ASB meeting. You don't have to be an ASB officer. You can show up to either voice your concerns, ask questions, listen in, and you can learn about all the upcoming events so you can get involved in the school. Can't wait to see you there next Wednesday.
And starting next week, the class of 27 will start helping shape things as they have their class elections. Speeches will be watched in your future-focused classes. Good luck, candidates. Moving into the world of SK Sports, winter sports registration is now open. Make sure you have everything completed in final forms if you want to play. Many SK athletes were tested last night. Standouts were varsity volleyball, which beat GK 3-0 with Camden Haggerty 8 kills and 4 blocks. For girls golf, new member Emmy Giadecki led the team in scoring. Volleyball will be back in action tomorrow as they head to a tournament over in Sammamish. Also, cross country will be running over to the Chambers Bay Loop Trailhead tomorrow starting at 11.
Looking to get a start on post-high school life? Come to an informational meeting Tuesday here at SK that can help you on any path you may take it, a trade school, military, local colleges, playing college sport, or more. This meeting is also open to parents, so bring them along as well. Port Orchard and South Kitsap Rotary want you to join the Rotary Youth Exchange. They'll have an informational meeting on Wednesday in Stage 2. Find out more by going to rye5020.org. Seniors, get your own special photo in the yearbook. Send your picture to skseniorphotos@gmail.com. Make sure your picture is school appropriate and in before December 1st. Questions? See Mrs. Myers. Many colleges will be coming to the Career Center next week. Some highlights are Wazoo on Monday, Avian Flight Center on Tuesday, a rep from Willamette University will be here on Wednesday, and Carroll College will be by Thursday. See all these colleges and more by getting a pass from the Career Center.
In club news, tomorrow is the Big Apple Harvest at Howe Farm hosted by Interact. It all kicks off at 4 and everyone's invited. Looking into next week, Petri will meet Wednesday in room 335, Ceramic will get going on Thursday in 263, Shades of Color has their first meeting Thursday in 341, while AAPI will start meeting later in October. DECA members planning to attend the Fall Leadership Conference need to get their application and permission slips to Ms. Fider by Monday. The only club meeting today is Builders of Unity. Meeting Monday will be Chaos, which will be in room 212, and now we'll meet the first and third Monday of the month, International, Magic the Gathering, and Honor Society.
Man, that was a lot of news.
Yeah, but hey, the month is over.
What?
I mean, it's the end of September and Halloween's close.
Can't believe it.
Well, I've been Russ.
And I've been Audrey.
Have a great day, SK.
Go